Hello, people. We are with Joeta Basu, who is an HR in the telecom sector. So, ma'am, hello. Why don't you introduce yourself with our viewers?
Sure, definitely. Guys, it's nice talking to you firstly, and it's a very beautiful morning. To talk about myself, I am working in the IT industry for last 12 years as HR. Currently, I'm working with MNC, which is primarily into telecom, and I am responsible for a business that is into serving our telecom customers. At the same time, we are doing, I'm taking care of the Calcutta hub HR deliveries. So that's kind of my profile I'm into.
So, I mean, as you said, you have been working in the HR for such a long time, and you must be like interviewing a lot of people every day, right? So, can you tell our viewers like what are the top 5 skills which you look at a potential employee?
Yeah. So when you talk about skills, there are multiple things. A person can have, every human being unique. But if you talk about the things that actually make a person employable, right? Currently, we definitely look for people who are agile. They can quickly change, right? They can take up things. They can face change in a very progressive manner. So agility is something that we definitely look at. Apart from that, we definitely look for your learnability. How much you can learn. How is your learning capacity? If you can grow as a learner. Third thing I would say is your communication skills. So communication is very important because you're trying to express yourself and you're not, or whatever you're trying to deliver. You have to talk, you have to write, you have to communicate with your people. You have to be a team player. You have to be in a team. And when I talk about communication, I'm not typically talking about your language skills. I'm talking about your entire communication ability to communicate with your people. With language is a part of it. And if you talk about, yes, at the same time, we will see about your potential. It's not necessarily what you have done, it's important that what you can bring to the table. So I have multiple times hired someone who doesn't have that required relevant experience, but we have taken that person because they have their potential. They know what they want to deliver, they know what they can bring to the table. So yeah, these are the few things. We see that if you have a propensity to excel, your drive for excellence is very important. So whatever you do, be it a very whatever level you're working, your drive for your excellence is something that will make you a unique employee. So yeah, these are the skills that we do.
It's like a mix of soft and hard skills which you look into a potential employee.